Folks, the right way to do it is to remove this connector from the pins, the 3 pins on the back side of the bulb. You should do that either from the top, which is not the way I did it, but maybe you can use a pair of pliers and just go from the top and disconnect this connector, or release the front part of the mud shield above the wheel. Turn the wheel all the way to the inside towards the engine. Undo a few of these, and there's also bolt like this on the bottom here, so you push down on the mud shield to make a space for your hand to go through this opening now. And it was a pain in the rear end for me to remove the bulb from the connector, but just pull. And I'm gonna show you the good one that I'm going to install back on the headlights. Low beam and high beam, I think. Don't touch the glass of the bulb with your hands, with your dirty hands, because I don't know, it can damage the bulb. If you do that, then use alcohol and clean it. So now I'm going to demonstrate for you again without the rubber. Look, it's not easy to remove the damn connector. I don't know, guys, I'm not strong enough perhaps, but I have to use a pair of pliers. Like that. Now let's put back in the new bulb. All right. If you're not sure about if the bulb is aligned properly, just remember this part down here should be horizontal, okay, on the bottom, and this tab on the top should be pointing upwards. Okay, there is the bulb secured by the spring, and okay, see this part here? That part you do like this, see? You unlatch so it rotates freely, because on the outer side towards the wheel, it is fixed with the screw, so it rotates like this, and this part, sharp angle, and also the other part, they press on the back side of the bulb and push it towards the front, and you have to latch this end of the spring, latch it behind the tab that's right there, okay, like this. See, it's latched. So that's it. Now the rubber goes back on over this plastic circle, the rubber seal, I mean, that prevents water penetration. And the seal has to go like this, like all the way, as further as it goes. So it's like this, the back side is like this, and now the connector goes right there. Voila, it's working. Good. The mud shield is fixed by these, more like a nails, or I forgot the name, screwdriver, or this one. And just turn left, and when it pops out, that's it, you know. Then you pull it out. Sometimes they go out together, but sometimes maybe this piece goes first. When you put it back on, this one goes first into the hole, and then this nail is just, you know, you just push on it like that. So you use your tool just to release, but when you put it back on, no tool is required. So there's one screw on the bottom, this one, not this one, that one. Okay, there's a rivet slash plastic nail right there. That's one. Is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. This one here doesn't play a role. It's to hold the bumper.